kind of like gripping on the road, turning left. There's number 6 schoolhouse on my right. We're going up Wachusett Street. I don't know if we'll go all the way down to Wachusett Street or not. Maybe. We'll see. But I got a full tank of gas now, so I'm happy. Just showing you how the roads are this morning in Leominster. Just some tours of the area here. Power lines ahead of us. Right over here on the left there, we got the Waldbrook Reservoir. Oh, snowpack covered, and the ice not safe to go on. Maybe it is, I don't know, but I want to go on the ice. I'm gonna go in there anyways, yeah, because it's not even plowed out. But we're traveling on Wachusett Street. I'm going slow. There's the reservoir over here. Well, yeah, part of the reservoir, I guess. So I'm a New England boy. I grew up in Leominster, born in '56. Quite familiar how to drive in the snow area in the wintertime. Trick is to have some good traction and you know, gotta try to get around there. You can see my tires are spinning out a little bit. There we go. Just taking it slow and easy up the hill. There we go. Now I got some more traction. He's up on the gas. When your car's going off the road a little ways, the recommendation is that you know, you turn into the skid. You know, you're so used to turning left when your car wants to roll right, and it'll give you more control over your car to take control over your car again when it goes off the road. Now I got really good tires there. The problem with one of my tires is right now it needs a little air in it because of the cold temperature, but it's still all right. I mean, so this is Wachusett Street, if you're wondering where we are. And we're just, you know, we're taking our time. We're going down, going 20 miles an hour, not even 15 according to my dash cam. And we're kind of like in the middle of the road because in case the car spins out a little bit. Just giving you a view of the fresh road pack we got snow pack we got last night. So this is a guided tour of Wachusett Street right now. Just about coming up to the Grandview Country Club there. It'll be a while before they play golf there again. You're gonna hit some snowballs this morning. The snow that we got last night, it's not even good enough really to make a snowman today, unless you put the snow with a garden hose, because it's just too fluffy. This is great skiing weather for the skis. If you're a skier, I mean, I never skied before in my life. I'd be petrified of going on a ski slope. So better be careful coming over a big mountain of snow. We got Wachusett Country Club over there. Big pile of snow. Like we said, it's hard to. I don't want to pull over because I don't want to get stuck somewhere. So I'm just keeping the car pushing along. So right now we're on Wachusett Street. We're coming up to the Grandview Country Club over here on my right, and I got to really step up the gas over a little bit. Hopefully the car's all right. Oh boy. So if you get yourself in a little situation like that, you just keep working your car, working your car, working your car. I'm working it left to right, right to left. There you go, see? ease up on the gas, and it'll eventually grab. That water wishing well on the right. As you can see, we got the Grandview Country Club on my right. And I was able to get out of that little situation over there. No problem. Let's see. They got it all plowed out. It is closed, though. Of course, it's closed. So we're gonna go all the way down over here. This is we're just passing the Grandview Country Club on the right on Wachusett Street. As you can see, we got a little bit of stuck on that little side of the hill up there. But we got out of there pretty good. I just kind of like eased up on the gas a little bit, and I gave it a little more gas with the gas pedal. And I was rocking it left to right and right to left, and I got out of it no problem. I mean, you know, you just got to know how to drive in this these road conditions. So we're going down to Wachusett Street right now. We're just taking our time. We got the speed limit down to 20 miles an hour, just to give you an idea what the roads look like in Leominster, and then we're going to head home when we get back onto the Elm Street over here. Guys, they're not even plowed out yet. So if you're wondering where I am, I'm on Wachusett Street. I took a right, left over by the number 6 schoolhouse. I was going to go back to that area and take some more photography, but I don't think I'm going to because the road is just too bad. It's okay, but for me, it's just too bad to get out and worry about a car whacking into me. But isn't this really cute? Okay, so this is the Livingstone we're passing on the left. Been there many, many times. Carol's got her driveway cleared out this morning. Big lion protecting that house. It's part of Barrett Park on the right-hand side here, down at the bottom of the hill over here, I believe. See that sign blowing there. Fresh honey. I'm gonna get no fresh honey today. Oh my goodness. So we're traveling down the Wachusett Street all the way to the end over here. We're gonna take a right over here as soon as we get down to the end. I believe the end will take us out over to Elm Street. And I got no cars coming up either direction right now, and so I'm kind of like in the middle of the road because I don't want to take a chance to get stuck like I almost did up there. Somebody doing their driveway. Some of these people doing a really nice job of taking care of their property even in the winter time. That driveway's already plowed out. Please go slow, yeah, no kidding. So this is Ron from the city of Leominster. Hope you're enjoying these videos that I'm doing. Forgive me if I mess up some of the streets there, because I'm not too sure on some of the names of the streets that I'm on. I know what they are, but sometimes I say one thing and something else comes out of me. Now I'm at the stop sign over here, so I'm going to have to stop. We're going to take a right over here. I believe this is Elm Street now they're pulling up on. And we're going to go down this way. No cars are coming in either direction.